the stairs to the second floor. So we go down to the master suite. The beautiful chandelier and the art vaulted ceilings to our private patio, the ensuite. Look at this floor. Freestanding tub. The shower to die for, where you've got body sprays on top of body sprays. The walk-in closet. The dormer windows into the laundry craft room with dormer. And looking back again, isn't that smashing? Absolutely smashing. I love it. Back to our main hallway and the stairwell. And on the kids' side, we have the little boys' room. The Jack and Jill bathroom with private shower. Then we have the secret kids' room. How fun is this? Into the girls'